All right, back at Dungog. It's been roughly about 9 months since we last rode here, and this is my first ride back for 2025 after about maybe a month of not riding. So everything feels a bit off at the moment. We're gonna start off with the black line, I guess. Number 3.
Not like I remember much of it anyway.
All right, I'm ready. Ooh,
I don't think you're ready.
my bike's not ready. Bike's screaming. Oh yeah, first ride back, man. Forgotten everything. Let's go. I have forgotten. Oh, I've forgotten how to control the bike. Right now, just feel like a passenger on the bike. Oh man. The trail is in prime condition. Loving this dirt. Just don't have the skills to take advantage of this beautiful dirt. Few more rides in. I reckon I'll be right back at it. Oh, that's sketchy. I'm also riding with my Magpeds today. I bought these roughly about 2 years ago, and I've never worn it since I bought it because they look scary to get used to. There's a magnet there on both sides. These are meant for enduro, but I hated these screws. They're not grippy enough. So what I did was I bought the extra strong magnet for that one and the plate as well. So they stick better, which is even more scarier, but I need to get used to being clipped in. How was that?
He's on for a while.
Yeah, it does.
This is nice.